Can you believe it? Louis offers never been to Ikea. We are here at Ikea. Suki, are you coming? What do you think, Lou? You excited?
I've never been to Ikea before.
Yes, in Sweden. It's actually cold like we are in Sweden. Today it hailed in LA. Unbelievable.
Yes, Suki. Who's a happy dog? Oh, Suki is really happy to be at Ikea. Oh, you love Ikea, Suki? Hey, we're at Ikea.
Man, this Ikea is pretty big here. Lou is excited.
I think Sweden, they're known for their...
Swedish is pork and beef, and then we have...
Oh, yeah.
No.
You got the full pork at Ikea.
You know how funny that would be if I bring Louis to Germany? Why not, Louis? We look at everything.
Oh, this is nice leather. Doesn't fit my motif though.
How's your IKEA experience, Louis?
I love it. I recommend the pulled pork sandwich.
Suki, what are you doing, Suki?
She liked the IKEA rug. Suki, you want to come
Suki, you're not at home here. You know that, right? Suki, you are not at home.
Yeah, she's not this happy at home. Hey, Suki. You army crawling now, Suki? Is he stretching?
Yoga. Yoga. The dog is from Sweden.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, she likes Swedish fish.
Oh.
Thank you. You like that, did she?
Oh, you know what kind of car that is?
Yeah, that's a Swedish Volkswagen.
No.
The Fiat.
That's right.
You know what Fiat stands for?
No.
Fix it in a wild Tony.
Louis, what do you think?
Yeah, the kid. Big. Iron.
Tired too, man. Look, my face is all red. I don't know from what. All right, that was it.
I don't go to the gym anymore. I just walk around IKEA. That's good exercise.
That's right.
Exercise the devil.
All right, that was it from IKEA. Have a wonderful day. He's waiting for the hot dog. Suki. Suki. You speak. Suki right there. Suki. Speak. Speak.